Welcome to AI Geek. Today we're going to discuss about hypothesis testing. So first of all, what is hypothesis? A hypothesis is an assumption that is proposed for the sake of argument so that it can be tested to see if it might be true or not. Especially in the data science or analytic field, we have one problem. We will try to solve out the problem. We will check throughout our data. It means what our data tells us about our problem that we are facing. So with the hypothesis testing, we will understand. So the things we make, the assumption we are going to make, is it right or no? So next step is hypothesis testing roadmap. We will do it. We'll create the roadmap for the hypothesis testing, and we categorize it with the data type. So as we know, we have two kind of data types. The one is categorical, and the second is continuous, numerous, we can say. And in the categorical field, we have three different kinds of algorithms or samples we have. It's a one sample, it's a two sample, and the three sample, and greater than two sample hypothesis testing. If we have a categorical data, in the one step we have the one proportion test, and the two sample we have a two proportion test, and if we have a greater than two samples, we will use the chi-square test. And as we'll go to the continuous, if we know the population standard deviation, so we'll use the z test, and if we don't know the population standard deviation, we will use the t test. And we don't know the standard deviation, and as compared to, we'll use a one sample test, and it's a two sample independent, and the two sample if the samples are related with each other, and the fourth one is if we have a greater than two samples. For the one sample, we'll use a one sample t test, and if the two are independent, we'll use a two sample t test. And in this category, we have two more categories with the equal variance, and if we have the variance is different. And two sample related, we'll use a pair test or two sample pair test, and if we have a greater than two sample, we will use ANOVA. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest update.